Okay, beautiful day outside before the storm arrives. How's this going? Okay, how come it's blurry? Okay, here we go. Just like the guy that runs it, blurry. Okay, headline, CBC, I never read it. Let's see what it says. Two Bathurst officers involved in the fatal shooting in 2015 fired lawyers at arbitration hearings. I never read this. This should be good. These are the two the cops in Bathurst that shot dead in cold blood Michel Viano that was surrounded by people in not in uniform and cops, and he didn't know what was going on. So you know the whole story. Go to Google, write Michel Viano Bathurst, and you'll see the whole story. Somebody called and said, excuse me, Crime Stoppers, Michel Viano has some cocaine from Montreal. And then the police, okay, let's go. He has cocaine, and it wasn't true. So let's see what it says here. Hearing on the death of Michel Viano scheduled to last 8 days after sides couldn't agree on discipline. What is it? A hearing to have an inquest? There's no discipline. It's just recommendation. That's what I thought. An arbitration hearing began Wednesday morning with news that the two police officers, the two cowards, involved in the shooting death of Michel Viano 4 years ago, maybe 100 years ago, have fired their two lawyers. This is a delay tactic. It was unclear how would that affect the hearing scheduled to start and run for 8 days. There won't be no hearing at all. The hearing was set to deal with the recommendation, that's what I just said, to dismiss Bathurst Police Force Constable Patrick Bulger and Mathieu Boudreau over their action related to the shooting. Viano was killed 100 years ago when the police tried to arrest him, blah, blah, blah. Described what happened as so fundamentally troubling that the public trust and the community interest deserve no less than the manner being fully aired in a public forum in front of an arbitrator. Yes, the hearing arose after a New Brunswick Police Act investigation, and the side could not agree on discipline. What would be the discipline? Each officer was found to have breached 5 counts under the Police Act. The hearing, Michel began the hearing by reading 5 counts against the officers. Denied both officers, each count was read. Boudreau, a rookie constable, he was a rookie. Specialized Joint Force Intelligence Unit for 6 months. Oh yeah, Michel Viano got cocaine. They part in an unmarked vehicle. Yeah, that's what I just said. Okay, never mind the whole story. Burke told CBC that Viano hit the gas, smashed the vehicle. So what's going on now? The two officers were charged with manslaughter. However, a judge determined after a preliminary inquiry that there wasn't enough evidence of criminal intent to proceed to trial. You know, they all work together, justice system and police. Bulger and Boudreau were suspended with pay from the police force after the charges were raised, though they returned to work, of course, in February 2017. So what's going on here? Nothing. More hardship for the family of Michel Viano. So to this.